So this car does take a three batteries, and the remote controller takes like 2 batteries, and it does has a rubber wheels, which is the best part, and it's like looks like a sturdy remote controller car. As you can see, it's moving very smooth. And now we are going to add a minifigure, as they have given the space to keep the minifigure in it. So let's take it out, and let's see how they look in this car. Yeah, and they gave like cute gun. And so we have a Lightyear 2022 animated science fiction action adventure film, and the movie was spin-off the Toy Story film series. And we have here Buzz Lightyear, and in the film he's not a toy, he's a human. We have 2 action figures, like we have a Izzy and we have a Buzz. So we are going to take this Izzy out of this box. So we took this Izzy out of the box, and it's every part moves. It does, and you can make it sit, or you can make it stand, or you can bend his knee. And so these are like movable parts they have been designed, and it is like 4.75 inch toy. Now we will go to the Buzz, and we have here 2 Buzz. One is like 12 inch and one is like 5 inch, and so we got like 2 here, and its parts move. You can move it, and the head, I don't think so the head moves. The hand moves too, and the knee. Yeah, that's the best part. So we got some accessories, some guns, and we have Bug. And let's put this character into the remote controller car, and let's see how they look. So we put the characters, the Izzy and the Buzz, in the remote controller car, and now we are operating. And this remote controller car goes very smooth. Izzy on the back so that she can control the gun, and it does go very smooth in the hard surface. I don't think so it goes in the grass. Let us try out, does it grow in the grass, as since it has a rubber tire, you know. They look both cool. And here we have a Bug, but it goes on top of it. That's a good part. Let's take it out and make it roll. And the Buzz and Izzy looks really cool. Buzz and Izzy looks very cool. Kids want to play. It doesn't move, you know. They don't move at all. Yeah, it doesn't move. The tire doesn't move. Very good in the hard surface than the grass. And these 2 toy characters looks good in this remote controller car. So if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.